Hi, my name is Max Barton, and this is
Rob Barton, and welcome to BoardgameBlizzard, where we talk about board games during a blizzard.
Yes.
Ignore Ruby, she's giggling in the background. Today we're going to talk about
King of Tokyo.
This is a great family game. It uses pretty much the same mechanics as Yahtzee, but instead you
Play as monsters and you try to smash all of Tokyo.
Right. So, can you tell us a little bit about each monster mix?
So, I'll start with my favorite, the King, because he's the king of Tokyo. Yes, the king. He's a cyborg monkey, and I really like him
Because of his looks.
And
in the game, really, all the monsters are the same, right? Yeah, it doesn't matter. And each monster comes with their own board that keeps track of two things. It keeps track of
their life and their energy.
Almost.
I mean,
Look at it.
Victory points.
Right.
And what else?
And
So how do you win and how do you lose?
if there's two ways to lose.
Why did you tell them how to win?
Well, one way to win, there's just one way to win. Actually, two ways to win.
Right. Tell the camera, don't tell me.
Two ways to win. One, to eliminate all the other players by crushing them. That's my favorite part. And two,
You get two.
you get 20 victory points.
Right.
And there's one way to lose. To die.
Right. You lose all your life or somebody beats you to the victory points.
Yeah, you lose all your life or somebody beats you
To the victory points.
to the victory points.
So during your turn, what do?
You roll six dice, and you roll them. And you see there's a energy symbol. There's a 1 symbol, a 2 symbol, and 3 symbol, and a fist, and a heart.
Right.
The fist means you attack. The heart means you heal, of course.
Right.
The energy means you get energy, and you get these little cool energy cubes. These are not candy. These are not to eat.
Right. Not candy. No, they look it.
They look like Jolly Ranchers.
Right.
Green apple flavor.
So what do you do with the energy?
You can buy these cool cards.
Which give you powers or victory
Powers.
points, right?
Powers and both.
Right.
Okay.
Some of them give you victory points, some of them
Yeah.
give you powers. So why don't we do a quick turn and show them how it works. You roll the dice. The first person. You each roll the dice, and whoever rolls the most fists go first. So go ahead and roll.
Hold on.
Okay, you turn it to you. You got 2 fists. I get 1 fist. So you go first. It's okay. Don't worry about those. Just roll. So he's got 3 2s. Now you score victory points when you roll 3 of the same number. You roll the dice and you can roll them up to 3 times. So he's got 3 2s, a heart. Well, remember you're not damaged, so you can't heal the first turn. Oh yeah.
last roll?
Yeah, what's your last roll?
That's nothing.
Okay, so he's got 1 energy, 2 victory points, then he rolled an extra 2, which is another victory point. So he's got 3 victory points
3 victory points.
and 1 energy. Now it is my turn. He didn't go into the city. First one to do damage during their turn goes into the city. All right, take 2 hearts. 5 twos. Oh, so I got 5 twos. So that got me 2 points plus 2 more. So 4. And it is your turn.
We're like staying out of Tokyo. We're just smashing our house. I think that's a good roll. 3 energy. And heart. I'm not gonna use the heart. I'm gonna use that.
Last roll. Wow. Okay, so you go into Tokyo.
Yeah.
You get a victory point for that. And you get 4 more energy. So now you got 5 altogether.
5. I could get jetpack, jets.
You suffer no damage when getting out of Tokyo. Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, I want to get that.
Oh, excuse me.
I set it up like this thing.
Like it was on the back? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it was. I set it up.
Alright, I've rolled 3 fists. An energy. My last
Oh,
roll.
Yeah.
So I hit you 3 times, but if you get out of the city, you don't take any damage. Are you leaving the city?
Yeah, I'm leaving the city.
You don't take any damage. That is kind of big. And I get a victory point for going
Wait.
into the city.
This.
That's what that does.
I
And you-
stay. It
whenever
stays.
you leave the city,
I
you don't
stay-
take
it
any.
stays.
Yeah, and it stays.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's really good. Okay, go ahead and roll. Your turn.
I'm gonna keep that for the whole game.
Whoa.
Holy.
So he rolled an energy, 2 energy, a fist, 2 twos, and a 3. So he's going to re-roll the 2 twos and a 3. He's going to keep the 2s. He's rolling 1 die, hoping for another 2. Energy, you got 1 more roll. What are you going to do?
I'm gonna keep the energy.
Okay, and
my
then you
turn.
can, well, you can roll those 2 twos because
Oh,
you
yeah.
haven't. You may as well. Yeah. So now you hit me twice.
Bam, bam.
Ow, ow, ow. I get out of the city, and you get 3 more energy, and you get a victory point. And then it's my
I'm still
turn.
at 10. You're not hurting me.
I know. I'll keep 1 fist, 2 energy.
You're gonna try to punch me, but it's not gonna work.
Okay, I heal 1 to 9. I hit you twice. Are you getting out of the city?
Yeah.
So you get out of the city.
I take no damage.
I go in. I get 6. And I get 2 energy. And it is your turn.
You go up to 6. Not you don't get 6 victory points for just going into the city. Wow. Bunch of garbage.
2 3s. A fist, an energy, and a heart.
I don't need to keep the heart.
Right.
Because I suffer no damage. Is that my last roll?
No, you got 1 more.
No, 2. Yes. Hit you 2 times.
So you hit me 2
Whack,
times.
whack.
I'm going to stay in the city.
Choo,
So
choo.
I'm down to 7.
2 energy, please.
2 energy for you.
Hey, where'd my other 2 energy go?
Right there.
Oh,
So
there.
you got 4 energy. You gonna buy something? You can get armor plating, and then when you only take 1 point of damage, you don't take any damage.
Yeah. Well,
That's pretty good. You are like really tough right now.
'cause I have jets. When
There's-
you're about to punch me, you
Wow.
try to punch me.
2 fists and 4 hearts. When you're in the city, you cannot
Heal.
Heal. So those 4 hearts are useless.
But the fists are useless too. Well, the fists aren't useless.
Alright, ignore damage when it's only 1 point. I'm doing more than 1. You're not yielding, so you're actually going to take 4 hits.
God dang.
Oh, and I get 2 for starting in the city.
6.
And I'll take 2 more
On 6.
energy. I know, and I'm at 7. And I have 4. I'm going to keep it. And it is your turn.
I'm gonna. Whoa! Whole garbage.
Well, you got 2 energy. You have a heart, a 1, and 2 3s.
Yeah. Just keep those. Keep those.
Another heart, another energy, and 1 more roll. Alright, so you got 3 energy. And you heal 2, so you're up to 8. And that is my turn. I get 2 points for starting in the city. I'm up to 10 victory points, halfway to winning. I roll a fist and energy. I'm going to roll these. 2 more energy. A 3 and a 2. I'll roll a 3 and a 2. Heart does no good. 1 does no good. 3 energy. It's up to 7 energy. And 1 fist. I hit you once.
Dude, I just healed.
Alright, I'm going to spend my 7. I'm going to spend it on 3.
And you can get the 4.
4. So I get rapid healing. I can spend 2 energy at any time to heal 1. And fire breathing, your neighbors, which would be you, take 1 extra damage when I deal damage. So I'm always going to do 2, so I just made your armor plating useless. Because you're going to take 1 extra damage every time I do damage to you.
What?
Go ahead. Your turn.
I'm so doomed. Holy garbage.
Well, stop saying that. Maybe you got to have some positive thoughts.
There's no positive thoughts.
Okay, so you get a heart and a fist. And you're going to re-roll the rest. Okay.
All I love is getting energy, healing, and punching. That's really...
Well, you got a little of everything there. 1 more roll. All right.
the 1.
So you get 1 energy. Heal 2. And you hit me twice. Ow, ow. I'm down to 5. I'm staying in the city.
Wait, what?
You heal 2.
Oh, yeah, I healed.
So you're up to 9.
Yay. Woohoo!
Are you going to spend your... You got 4 energy. That does no good. Energy hoarder. You gain +1 for every 6 energy you have at the end of the turn. That means you got to keep energy and not spend it. You got to do that.
Spend 3.
You can spend 2 and dump all the cards.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna spend 2 to pull a card.
Right, so all these cards get set aside and 3 new ones come up. Oh, Max's favorite, Poison Spit. That'll get me out of the city. Wow, look at that. Look at those victory points. Okay, start the turn. I go up to 12. Bing!
I'm at 6.
A fist. An energy. I'm going to roll these 3. 2 fists. Last.
Why are you hitting me when I'm not in the city?
That
City.
does no good. I get 1 energy.
Why are you hitting me when I'm not in the
And I hit you
city?
3 times. You're down to 6.
Why are you hitting me?
Because I'm trying to win.
Because I'm healing. I need to get some more energy.
Whoa. 3 hearts. You gonna take the 3 hearts?
No.
Two 3s, 2 1s, and a 2.
Roll again.
Last roll.
Oh my
Are you kidding me? You hit me for 1. Out. I'm staying in. You get 3 victory points for rolling 3 threes.
I'm only up to 8.
And you get an energy. So you got 3 energy.
Wait, am I up to 9? I was at 6.
You're at 6 and you gain 3.
9?
3 plus 6?
Yes. You're only 3 ahead of me.
Wow.
Holy cow.
You get 2, so I'm at 14.
14.
I rolled 4 2s on my first roll.
Oh my
And 2
gosh,
fists.
you're
I think I'm good. So I'm going to get 3 victory points there. That gets me to 17.
4.
You got to do 4 damage to me, and you win. Otherwise, I'm probably going to win on my turn.
4.
You got to do 4 to me. Well, there's 1. I don't know if I keep the heart. There's 2.
That wasn't my last roll.
We have it on videotape. Okay, go ahead. Alright, so you heal 2. You get another energy. So now you got 4 energy.
I'm gonna buy Poison Spit.
Poison Spit.
I'm like,
When you deal damage to monster, you buy this at the end of your turn, so you do the damage first. So I take 2. I'm down to 2.
Wait, does this Poison Spit affect you?
No, because you buy it after you do the damage.
What does the shrink array do?
I have 2 life. I have to get out of the city, because if I don't roll 1 victory point, then I will lose. So I get out of the city. You go in. You get a victory point.
Oh, I do?
Yes, because you went in. I got to do some healing.
No hearts, I hope.
All hearts, I hope. Whoa.
That's good.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry. No filming after lunch from now on. I'm just gonna roll them all again. Wow. 1 energy. Last roll.
No hearts, no hearts. No!
3 hearts. So that gets me back to 5. 2 more
I have to
energy.
hit you with all the 1 die.
And
Right.
your turn. You get 2 victory points for being in the city at the start of the turn. It is your turn.
I'm at 11. 17 looks like holy energy. 2 energy at the start of the turn.
How many rolls you get?
3. I think I just broke them.
You're losing count because you're on camera.
Whatever. That's 12. Yeah.
Oh, and that's enough to do me in.
What?
You win.
What? Oh. You only had 3?
Yep.
Oh.
Good game.
Bleh.
So, that's King of Tokyo. Fun family game.
You only said you said we only would show you 1 turn.
I didn't say that.
Oh, I thought you said you would show 1 turn.
Oh, well,
It's 1 turn.
we showed him a game.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. So, till next time.
Thanks for watching.